Welcome back to Free the Tomatoes, everybody. Today we are here with the last of the eyeshadow brushes in the Morphe and Jeffree Star brush collection. This is the JS6, also known as the Rule Blender. This retails for $11. Sorry, for some reason there's no price on the website. Interesting. Okay. Retails for $11, and they describe this as, do what you will with this brush. There are no rules, but it's perfect for carving out chiseled eye looks and know how to drop bold, opaque color in the blink of an eye. Just saying. Alright, so we're just going to go straight in. I do have my Huda palette here, and I'm thinking I wanted to go with the chunky rose gold, but I think I'm just going to go with angelic just to keep it on the simple side. Alright, so we're going to dip our brush in. Alright, so compared to the last couple of pieces, these ones are a lot smaller, but where did I see them? There's one right there. Oh, and the other one's now in the bottom lashes, right there. So, I think it's safe to say, stay away from the natural haired bristle brushes in this collection, because they will fall apart on you. Now, I know I showed you last time when I just wiped my highlighter brush off, but I also went ahead and I tried to wipe off the extra product from the other two brushes, and we have this. So that's quite a lot. That I can understand. Actually I can't, because I've only ever had one other brush shed on me before, or at least that I've noticed, and once that brush started shedding, it basically fell apart and I threw it out. So I have never had a brush shed on me from the first use, let alone the first use, then kind of like wiping it off just to be like, okay, let's just get anything loose out of there, applying it again, and then having the same damn problem. So my whole idea of like, oh, maybe it's just like a one-off situation, it's the brushes. So I'm gonna like, just don't do the natural haired brushes unless you like wasting your money, which, you know what, some of us have money to just like, and if that's you, then by all means do what you want. But if you're somebody who's like, I have $11 to spend on a brush, I want it to be a really damn good crease brush, it's not these. And I would warn anybody who's like, you know what, maybe it'll be okay, just don't. Morphe probably has synthetic crease brushes on their site. If you're really keen on getting a Morphe crease brush, go look for a synthetic one, because at this point I won't touch their natural brushes again, like ever. I already have problems with Morphe, and this is just like instilling why I don't give them second chances. So saying that, I'm gonna wrap this up, and we are going to finally see you guys in the next one for the last individual brush before I kind of wrap my thoughts on the set as a whole. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!